Hi, welcome to Physical Product Cache video number 30. In this video, we are going to discuss about a tip which I'm going to give you, a 2-minute trick which you can do it for a long-term traffic. This is just a bonus of getting a long-term traffic. I have been using this for a long time and I used to get a long-term traffic every year without fail. What is this exact trick? So when you take a keywords from your keyword planner, so depending upon your keywords, there will be keywords searched by people every time, whatever be the product like this. For example, in this video, we have created a site related to tents. For example, there are keywords related to best family tents 2014, as I mentioned here, best family tents 2014. And there are several keywords like this which people use year after the keywords. So for example, some of the examples I'm quoting here are best family tents 2014, best 6% tent 2014, best for if it is electric juicer niche, best electric juicer 2014, best men's shaver 2014, best Philips shaver 2014, best women's shaver 2014. So when you type this keyword, for example, best family 10 2014 in the keyword planner, you will get all the keywords related to this keyword where it says 2014, the year at the end of the keyword. So what happens is every year this suffix year is going to change. People who are going to search in 2015 are not going to put 2014. They are going to put best family tents 2015. In 2016, they will type best family tents 2016. So what happens is that when you have a blog post says with a keyword best family tents 2014 and you discuss about 2 or 3 tents in your review you can put a comparison pages. That's why we installed a plugin called table press. You can put a comparison table in that between 3 products and what is the best for family tent for 2014, what is the best electric juicer for 2014. So what happens after 2014? So when we cross over to the next year, people will start typing best family tent 2015. That time your website will not be shown into the search engine for high ranking. Assume you are ranking very well for best family tent 2014, it will not be shown for 2015. So what I do is every year, every single year at the end of the year, like around 15th to 20th of December, what I do is I go to the website and I will see my analytics and what are the keywords my site is ranking. So for that purpose, you can use Google Webmaster Tool, Google Analytics, and you can also use your cPanel AWS stats and see what are the keywords you are ranking. In the Webmaster Tool and Google Analytics, Google provides you these details. You can see what are the keywords it's ranking. If you are ranking for best family tents 2014, what I'll do is I go to my blog. For example, I'll show you in this blog. So I will log into admin panel and assume this is a blog post which has like this 2014 review. So assume this is the page which is ranking well. So I'll just remove this. Okay. Assume this is the page Coleman Instant 10 2014 review. So if this blog post is ranking, what happens in 2015? This is not going to rank because people are going to search as Coleman Instant 10 2015. So what I do is at the end, last week of December or the week before, I will select what are the keywords it's ranking. I will go to check in the Google Webmaster Tool or Google Analytics or AWS Stats and I will note down what are the pages it's ranking, and I will go to the each page and I will just change this year to 2015 and then update the site. The most important thing is whenever you're creating in the beginning itself, when you type this title into the post, it will automatically take this title as your URL, like here, camping and hiking equipment, Coleman instant tent 8 review. That was the initial thing which we had, 8 review. So what happens is when you type this, it will automatically take whatever is available here as your URL. So what I want you to do is, when you post a Coleman instant tent 2015, once you finish everything, you just come here and do an edit. You can do physically edit. Once you enter this title, it will automatically take this URL, but after that you just click the edit and remove that 2014 part in the URL. So what happens here, if for example Coleman instant tent review, I will just leave it as a review, that's it, or Coleman instant tent number 8. I will not add 2014 here or 2015. I will just remove the year, so that when you change your art title to 2016 here, you don't have to change the link. The link will be same, but it will display as 2016. Any change you make here, Google will automatically update its site based on whatever changes you have done, and that's it. So whatever you are ranking, just go and change for every year. In 2015, at the end of the fag end of the year, I will go and change to 2016. In 2016, I will go and change as 2017. So as long as this is ranking, not, your ranking will be protected, and you are see, because you are changing the year, Google will provide your result to the people who are searching for 2015 and beyond. So this is a little trick at a 2-minute, I say it's a 2-minute trick, but over a period of time for 12 months, you get lots of visitors. For example, for one of my site, I used to get a lot of visitors for just doing this trick. Even assume you get 10 to 15 visitors a month, it will be around 200 visitors a year. So this is a very simple and cool, nice trick. You can use it to increase your long-term traffic. For doing this, use your analytics and see which keyword is ranking, especially when you are using year at the end of your keywords for ranking purpose. This will be very useful trick for every year to come, not only for that 2014. You can use it for 2015, 16, as long as you are ranking. Remember, the first thing, the basic thing is, when you are creating the site, if you are using the year, make sure that your URL is not having the year, so that you don't have to change the URL. So this is a short video about a small trick, and the next final video of this course, we will talk about scaling, how to scale your business for higher profits. See you next video.